Okay. I was just going through a video of Piyush Goyal ji, and the video was on startups in India. Okay. Yeah. So I just thought I'll put across my point of view while listening to that video, because apparently we are not going to start up Mahakumbh. I don't know what Sangram and his contacts do. But here I'm not even wanting a favor. I'm just trying to counter what Shri Piyush Goyal ji wants to say in his inaugural speech to the youth of India, who is obviously very, very ambitious, wants to do great things for themselves and their families, is excited by the idea of startup and everything. Yeah. So let's listen to what he's saying. Let's see what he says.
What are India's startups
doing today?
We are focused on food
We are
delivery
focused
apps,
on food delivery
turning
apps,
unemployed youth
turning unemployed
into
youth
cheap labor
into cheap
so
labor,
the rich can
so
get
the
their
rich
meals
can get their meals
without moving out of their house.
Okay. Now, what has he done? He has talked about the food delivery apps like probably Zomato, Swiggy, Blinkit. First of all, you are talking about the rich and the poor. So you are again creating a divide, sir, between the rich and the poor in India. The youth in India is getting inspired by the rummy application and the betting application, due to which they don't like to do much. If they're sitting at home, trying to enjoy the rummy and the betting applications that are available on the smartphones that your government apparently has given them free of cost, because they wanted to kind of educate the youth with smartphones. Then, while playing rummy and getting on the various games, they started drinking, they started getting into bad habits, so they started becoming lazy and useless. So the poor youth, which belonged to the poor belt, became more useless and good for nothing. And now, because of these food delivery apps, probably they get those chargeable bikes and they get those delivery orders, so they're able to make $1,000, $2,000 a day, or in a week, or in 2 days, or whenever they are taking up orders. So be happy that these food delivery apps have actually given some zest and movement to the youth of the poor. Otherwise, they were just drinking, playing rummy, and betting applications were their, entire focus, because that's what happened by giving them free smartphones. Because you're criticizing the food delivery apps. I'm not best friends with anybody, but I'm just trying to, counter your narrative that you are giving in the startup Mahakumbh, which is your government's idea. बिकॉज एक तरफ क्या होता है, आप AI डेवलप कर रहे हो, आप चैट GTP डेवलप कर रहे हो. So the youth which was working in the office, the youth which was working in the call center is replaced by AI bots and chat GTP. So you have taken up their jobs. Yeah. Now the poor labor which is not into chat GTP or AI wants to do the hard work which probably their parents do. That hard work, you want to say that is not innovation. Excuse me, India's strength is the population. Use that population in the right manner should be the startup Mahakumbh's core fundamental thought process. How to use that labor, how to use that population. Going ahead, hearing his speech.
And against that, what does a Chinese startup do? Work
Okay, you're
on
comparing
developing
yourself with
electric mobility, battery technologies, and with that, they today dominate the electric mobility.
Okay, so you are countering the way Indian startups work with Chinese startups. Since when did you start doing that? Because your government banned TikTok. You did not like TikTok because TikTok was Chinese application, though TikTok is very valid in US. So as the government in center who was criticizing a Chinese application like TikTok and banning it, now the same ruling party is talking about Chinese startups and the way they make iPhones. Yeah, you have iPhones made in China, you have a lot of gadgets made in China, and your government was instrumental in burning TV from China, phone from China during the COVID period. Do you understand the hypocrisy that comes across through this speech? Let's listen further.
We are very proud of what India has done.
We are very proud of
But
what
are we
India
the
has
best
done.
in the world as yet?
But are we the best
Not
in the
yet.
world as yet?
Should we aspire to be?
Not yet. Should we
Or
aspire
are we going to be happy being delivery boys and
Or are we
girls?
going to be happy being delivery boys and girls?
Look at the second one.
Be glad that being delivery boys and girls, if those boys and girls are doing some other kind of work in their day, like studying, helping parents in their business or something else, then being delivery boys and girls should not be a shameful activity. Your speech here is actually targeting a community of delivery boys and girls by shaming them. And that is something which is not very right, sir, because you have to respect the poor people who are trying to work by being delivery boys and girls, because that's also a effort, to make sure that the delivery happens within the stipulated time frame. Because I had done some food startup, that cloud kitchen thing, but I never got any funding from the government because probably my husband and his contacts were not that good. But I'm glad I did. Otherwise, people would have said that I support certain aspects of BJP's ideology because of that funding, which I don't. So, coming back to make a mockery of the population of India, because the population of India is the strength, and that population of India gets accumulated in your rallies when you guys go and give speeches, when your elections are coming. So the crowd that is accumulated in the grounds when your speeches are happening, you are paying them some money. That crowd is now earning money on its own by being a delivery boy or a delivery girl. So don't shame them if they are making their own decisions and not standing in the lines under the scorched heat to listen to your bhashans or any other politician's bhashans because your elections are coming. Yeah? Continuing your speech.
I've been going through a lot of our startup
Look at the second
success stories, and when I go all over the country, we often have startup
success
presenting to
stories.
us
And when I
what
go
was
all
we
over
are
the
doing.
country, we often have startup
Fancy ice cream and cookies.
presenting to
Like I
us
know at least
what
3 or
work
4
they're doing.
billionaires whose children
Fancy
make
ice cream and
on
cookies.
one
Where
brand
I
or
know
the
at
other
least
very
3 or 4
fancy
billionaires
ice cream
whose
with
children
cookies
make
and run a very
one
successful
brand or the
business,
other
and I have
very
no
fancy
complaint against that.
ice cream and cookies.
But is that the destiny of
run a very
India?
successful business?
क्या भारत
So now you're saying, I went to US, so in the flight also somebody was serving some cookie, and it looked like a startup company because I'd not heard about it. It was not like Parle G, जिसका मैंने नाम सुना हुआ है बचपन से. So the rich parents have invested their money to start a business for their kid, to promote their kid as an entrepreneur. तो नेपोटिज्म यहाँ भी होती है. आप समझ रहे हो, जैसे आपके पॉलिटिकल इंडस्ट्री के अंदर एक नेता अपने बेटे को नेता बनाता है. चिराग पासवान इज द सेम जोन ना, his father was a politician. Rahul Gandhi, same zone na, his father was a politician. So there are people who make their children politician because it's the way it works. Same goes in the Bollywood. Yeah, you have Hrithik Roshan, you have a lot of other Abhishek Bachchan. You have a lot of actors whose parents are actors, and so they are actors profession, and they have the talent also. But that's the way one looks at them initially, because that's how they got their entry levels. तो अगर वो रिच पेरेंट अपने बच्चे को एंटरप्रेन्योर बनाना चाहता है तो उसने उसका पैसा डाला. आई डोंट नो इफ द गवर्नमेंट इज सपोर्टिंग दोज रिच entrepreneurs, children, startup projects. Use the word startup. So I don't know where the funding has happened. I presume अदानी का बेटा अगर entrepreneur बनना चाहता है तो अदानी खुद पैसा डालेगा या गवर्नमेंट डालेगी. I have no idea. अंबानी का बेटा entrepreneur बनना चाहेगा तो अंबानी खुद डालेगा या गवर्नमेंट डालेगी. I have no idea. Thinking aloud.
का भविष्य उससे
But is
संतुष्ट
that
है.
the destiny of India?
हेल्दी
क्या
आइस
भारत का
क्रीम,
भविष्य उससे संतुष्ट है?
zero gluten free.
So, जब आप हेल्दी आइसक्रीम की बात करते हैं तो ऑब्वियसली भारत का भविष्य हेल्दी आइसक्रीम और कुकीज नहीं है। कुकी के अंदर मैदा है, आइसक्रीम के अंदर भी मैदा होता है। भारत का भविष्य हेल्दी फूड हो सकता है बिकॉज आप लोग एक तरीके से ईट राइट इंडिया प्रमोट करते हैं। आप लोग एक तरीके से बाजरा, मिलेट, ये थॉट प्रोसेस प्रमोट करते हैं जो पहले की सरकार नहीं करती थी। तो भारत का भविष्य डिपेंड करता है भारत के रूट्स पर। भारत का रूट क्या है? जय किसान जय जवान, दैट इज द रूट ऑफ भारत। तो किसान क्या है? फार्मर। फार्मर क्या है? क्रॉप को सो करता है, और वो क्रॉप क्या करती है? हमको खाना देती है। तो भारत का पहचान है भारत का फूड। भारत के अंदर क्या बहुत यूनिक चीज है जो बाहर के देशों में नहीं है। भारत के इंग्रेडिएंट्स, हींग, राई, जीरा, अजवैन, लाल मिर्ची, हरी मिर्ची का कॉम्बिनेशन, लहसुन का कॉम्बिनेशन, वो तेज पत्ता, बड़ी वाला इलायची, छोटी वाली इलायची, पेपर तो बाहर भी मिलता है। बट आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू टेल यू द ब्यूटी ऑफ भारत and Bharat Sanskriti and the root of Bharat are the various ingredients that you see in Bharat, in the food that you eat, because there are such diverse cultures out here. So Bharat ka bhavishya also depends on maintaining that diversity in food and authenticity in food. तो भारत का खाना इस भारत की पहचान। तो आप उसको कैसे वो कह रहे हैं कि it's not something like oh my god so down market? No, it's not down market. That's the पहचान of भारत. Now आप अपने गवर्नमेंट ऑफिस में कैंटीन्स में खाते हैं, क्या खाते हैं? आप अपनी इडली खाते हैं, आप अपना डोसा खाते हैं, आप अपना उत्तपम खाते हैं, आप अपना पराठा खाते हैं, और आप बोलते हैं ना, अरे यार मैं फॉरेन टूर पे गया और मेरे को कुछ मिला ही नहीं वेज खाना, मेरे को वहाँ पे सिर्फ नॉन वेज दिखा या अंडा दिखा। आपकी सरकार तो अंडे को भी प्रमोट नहीं करती है ना। योर थॉट प्रोसेस इज प्योर वेज, प्योर वेज, प्योर वेज, जबकि साउथ में people consume non-veg. So Bharat ka bhavishya is not on rummy and betting application and daru and drugs, because drugs is an import from the west. ठीक है, बगोटा या मेक्सिको, यहाँ पे सब ड्रग्स बनते हैं ना। तो भारत का भविष्य है भारत के खाने में। और अगर हेल्दी थॉट प्रोसेस, फिट थॉट प्रोसेस आप प्रमोट करते हैं, फिट इंडिया कैंपेन्स और साइकिल ऑन संडे से, तो वो फिटनेस कहाँ से आएगी? भारत के खाने से आएगी ना। वो वेस्टर्न खाने से तो नहीं आने वाली, बिकॉज वेस्टर्न में तो जो जोन है खाने का, उससे लोग ओबीस होते हैं। Sir, I'm just trying to interpret your speech only at Startup Mahakumbh. Yeah, where you're criticizing Indian startups who are into food delivery and you're praising Chinese startups who are into gadgets and electronics. When your government only in COVID was criticizing the made in China items. So today you're just talking great things about China and its gadgets. It's great to be in the fintech department. It's great to, work on the technology side, build it up. But when you're building up technology, you are also creating unemployment because the youth is being replaced by machine. The strength of India is the labor, is the population, is the youth. Now the youth can be a skilled labor, or the youth can be somebody who works towards algorithms and becomes the next Mark Zuckerberg. But a Mark Zuckerberg cannot have the craftsmanship that the skilled laborers out here have. Do you understand? The skilled laborers, which is the poor belt. So you need to actually give your money to those skilled laborers to build their business and not get them trapped by taking loans from banks where they go bankrupt.
Whatever, I don't know.
Gluten free, whatever.
We are vegan. ये सब शब्द लगा के,
ये सब शब्द
अच्छी
लगा के,
पैकेजिंग करके हम स्टार्टअप बोलते हैं।
पैकेजिंग करके हम स्टार्टअप बोलते हैं।
ये स्टार्टअप नहीं है, ये एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप
नहीं है, ये
बिजनेस
है, ये बिजनेस है।
So, what's wrong in doing business? A lot of times, we judged the aloo bechne wala, the pyaj bechne wala, as people who belong to the poor class. So that business is not for us educated people to do. But जब मैं APMC मार्केट या कोई भी वेजिटेबल मार्केट में गई, तो मैंने देखा वहाँ पे पढ़े लिखे लोग आलू और प्याज का एक्सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं वियतनाम में। चाइना में, बैंकॉक में। क्यों? बिकॉज आलू और प्याज का एक्सपोर्ट इंडिया से हो रहा है वहां पर। एंड people who have studied from Harvard are doing that. Why? Because food is the basic necessity. COVID ho, earthquake ho, floods ho, everywhere. What is the basic necessity? खाना. अब पैलेस्टाइन में भी जब ये सब हुआ तो आपको क्या करना था? आपको खाना पहुंचाना था उन लोगों से जिनका घर छीन लिया गया है, जिनके पास probably कपड़े नहीं रहे, whatever they are wearing, their houses are gone, there is no property left with them, there is no money left with them. But what do they need to survive? They need food, no, to survive. So that is the basic. So food is the basic. So kindly don't criticize food startups, because ये जो जोमेटो, स्विगी, ब्लिंकिट, ये सब के पहले हमको नीचे उतरना पड़ता था बारिश में, धूप में, सब्जी लेने के लिए या खाना ऑर्डर करने के लिए या कुछ भी करने के लिए। फोन पे हम ऑर्डर करते थे, then we used to be dependent on that on ground vendors and their delivery boys. Now we have started using the online applications, which your government only pushes and promotes because you want us to do digital transaction, and that happens easily when you are dealing on an online website which is centralized. So kindly don't contradict yourself in those and those projects which the government has only promoted, you know, online shopping, online buying. Yeah, just trying to understand your
दूसरी
thought
तरफ
process also.
सेमीकंडक्टर्स में ग्रोथ हो रही है,
सेमीकंडक्टर्स
आर्टिफिशियल
में ग्रोथ हो रही है,
इंटेलिजेंस खुद की
आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस खुद की
अपने देश की बन रही है, लोगों की।
अपने देश की
They are
बन रही है,
investing
लोगों
heavily
की।
to become
They are
self-reliant,
investing heavily to become
building chips,
self-reliant,
AI models,
building chips, AI
to prepare the
models,
nation for the future.
which will prepare
भारत
the
ने क्या
nation for
करना
the
है?
future.
आइसक्रीम बनानी है या चिप्स बनानी है?
It's great to make chips, semiconductors, and all those great names that you took. But robots, they don't eat food. Yeah. Chips, they don't eat food. We are human beings. India is known for its emotion. The Western world is not that emotional. They're very cutthroat, they're very practical. But India is known for that emotion. वो emotion को तो tap किया जाता है ना क्रिकेट के मैच में, इंडिया पाकिस्तान को लाके भिड़ाकर. That emotion is tapped because Indians work with emotions. And that is what is also tapped in a parliament when you have to pass a bill. Because when you pass a bill and you talk about Mughals and you talk about Congress, you are obviously raking up past, but you are also putting emotions in the facts that you're putting across in the parliament.
भारत ने क्या करना है?
उसके लिए हम सबको हिम्मत
आइसक्रीम
करनी
बनानी है या चिप्स
चाहिए। और
बनानी
ये
है?
इतना ही मैं इन्वेस्टर्स को
भारत
भी
को
कह रहा
दोनों
हूँ।
करना है,
इसके लिए हम
but
सबको
अमन गुप्ता
आइसक्रीम की जगह we can have a fruit salad, sir, which is healthy. या गुड़ का या चीनी का, क्योंकि कैंटीन में जो खाना आप खाते हो गवर्नमेंट कैंटीन्स के अंदर, वो खाना थोड़ा और हेल्दी हो सकता है। या बिकॉज आप लोगों का भी स्केड्यूल बहुत टाइट रहता है। जैसे अगर 17 आवर्स आपने पार्लियामेंट के अंदर एक बिल के ऊपर डिबेट किया तो आपको टाइम नहीं मिला होगा एक्सरसाइज करने का। तो यू नीड टू हैव हेल्दी फूड बिकॉज यू हैव अ स्ट्रेसफुल प्रोफेशन ऑल्सो।
हिम्मत
टैंक
करनी
में जरा
पड़ेगी।
चेंज करो
और
अपने
ये इतना ही
पर्सपेक्टिव।
मैं इन्वेस्टर्स को भी कह रहा हूँ, अमन गुप्ता, शार्क टैंक पे जरा चेंज करो अपने पर्सपेक्टिव्स को।
Now, Aman Gupta is your contact only. वो सरकार का contact है. That's the thought process. Because Aman Gupta को I think award मिला था, कोई national कुछ award हुआ था दिल्ली में। मैं गई थी संग्राम के साथ and I thought मुझे award देंगे, कोई YouTubers award था, something that you guys you know, yeah. Because सरकार ने भी बहुत सारे awards you know बनाए हैं to felicitate the community that they feel like felicitating. Because like the BJP IT cell, no offense sir, but since 2014 it is the IT cell that has you know put influx of influencers out there in the market who are known just because of their likes and views, and their reels are trending. Why? Because the social media is promoting those reels. What is the awareness quotient in those reels? No idea. All you see is that वो likes and views, और ऐसे ही 2-3 लोग भरे हुए थे मेरे last reality show में. Claim to fame was likes and views, and that is how the show was built around them, and I had to fight my way through it. I'm not saying मैं कोई 30 बार खा लूं, but I'm just trying to explain you that this is what we are living in because the social media was brought to us in 2014. So
शार्क टैंक पे जरा चेंज करो अपने
so शार्क टैंक को आपने स्पेसिफाई किया, मगर वो शार्क टैंक का अमन गुप्ता को फेलिसिटेट भी तो आपकी सरकार ने किया. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड?
Third
example.
example. Instant grocery delivery. I had not planned this by the way. When I was sitting there, I opened my talking points. मेरे पास बड़े अच्छे talking points दिए मेरे. I read it and I said अगर ये लोग organically आए हैं और अगर इसमें से मैं एक शब्द भी बोलूं, इतना नकली है कि स्टार्टअप महाकुंभ नंबर 3 में एम्प्टी हॉल को एड्रेस कर दिया.
So your team also gives you talking points. I think every politician gets talking points because that's how it works. Politicians can't be doing the research and can't be doing the talking and can't be, getting ready on time and doing everything by themselves. They obviously have a team that's behind them. So just kind of putting it across. स्टार्टअप महाकुंभ 3 का जो भी टॉकिंग पॉइंट है जहाँ पे आप हेल्दी आइसक्रीम को क्रिटिसाइज कर रहे हैं, आई एम हैप्पी दैट आप हेल्दी आइसक्रीम को क्रिटिसाइज कर रहे हैं क्योंकि वो आइसक्रीम मैदे से बनी है और उसके अंदर शुगर होगा और वो कोई रिच फैमिली सेटअप ने अपने बच्चे को एंटरप्रेन्योर का खिताब देने के लिए सब फंडिंग करके सेटअप कर दिया होगा. उसका रिच बच्चा कभी APMC मार्केट नहीं गया होगा, कभी ठेले पे खड़ा नहीं हुआ होगा, ना धूप में उसने वो अपना गाड़ी का जर्नी AC गाड़ी में बैठ के यहाँ से वहाँ जाने का और बिजनेस करने का जो प्रथा थी उसको कंटिन्यू रखा होगा. आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आपने क्या क्रिटिसाइज किया. सो हेल्दी आइसक्रीम को क्रिटिसाइज किया बिकॉज इज नथिंग कॉल्ड एज हेल्दी आइसक्रीम. समोसा, हेल्दी पूरी समोसा आइसक्रीम, दे नॉट हेल्दी, बट वो जिस तरीके से बनते हैं उस तरीके में हेल्दी ऑप्शन आपको मिल गया, बट वो तीनों चीजें अनहेल्दी है. व्हाट इज हेल्दी is घर का खाना. What is healthy is making sure that you actually give घर का खाना to people, professionals who work hard the whole day in multinationals, to school-going children, to patients in hospitals. You actually need to work towards making a startup that can give घर का खाना to all these people who need it. You understand? मैंने आज ही कोई करीना का और उसकी न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट का वीडियो देखा where they were praising घर का खाना. So again the thought came back in me.
That's when I asked Prashant. I took out my phone. I said, Prashant, I got this 3 days back. Is it okay if I put it up on the screen and discuss this with the audience? That's when I asked my colleague to show it to all of you. Instant grocery delivery, latest hot on the block.
Yes, instant grocery delivery is very important because कभी कभी दूध खत्म हो जाता है. जैसे I have to do so many things together, I have to multitask. तो दूध खत्म हो गया and मुझे दही जमानी है. What do I need? I need Blinkit. Do you understand? पहले मैं किराने वाले के नंबर रखती थी, but why should I, पायल रोहतगी, talk to a किराना वाला every day? It is better to just order it on Blinkit and have the delivery done. जैसे आपको पता है, I was trying to do some business from a residential place and the whole labor was controlled by the people who are living in this area. So I realized that I can manage my house without labor. So what do I need when I have to manage my house, do my videos, give my auditions, do my meetings? I need applications like Blinkit for instant grocery delivery. I need applications like Swiggy and Zomato because there I learned how to sell food. Ghar ka khana through those websites, and I realized what is customer feedback, what is time frame, how important is it to vet the delivery riders and everything. Okay, so don't make fun of that instant grocery app. Your wife must be using it, Piyush ji.
I have no problems. List at a few $billion dollars. I'm very happy. I only wish they had more Indian investors rather than the foreigners buying off all our startups. And
I just hope that the government learns to invest in genuine startups and people who have actually slogged their way to understand the business through a startup, because you need to understand that people like us who did not have any business background slogged it out. But we can't slog it further till we don't have proper funding, because मुझे पता है मेरे husband द्वारा कि how the money that is supposed to go to genuine startups, because you were making fun of Aman Gupta and Shark Tank, that genuine money from government of India goes to fake startups in Haryana, जो पता नहीं कोई नकली सी acting school या acting ये सब चालू कर लेते हैं, और कैसा वो पैसा रूट करते हैं। मतलब पैसा होता है हरियाणा के यूथ को एक्टर्स बनाने के लिए ट्रेन करने का, और वो पैसे से वो लोग अपनी लुई विटॉ के बैग खरीदते हैं। कैसे अरबाज खान को बुलाते कोई इनॉग्रेशन के लिए, 5 फोटोग्राफ खिंचा देते, खर्चा दिखा देते, और पैसा जाता है एक्चुअली उनकी जेब के अंदर, या उनकी बीवी की शॉपिंग होती है उससे। सो सर, योर स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ स्टार्टअप इंडिया, your structure of skill development India, in that structure itself there is so much of corruption, and the way money gets rooted, you need the
आप सबके लिए चिता है।
ये सितार आप
more
सबके
Indian
लिए चिता है।
investors into the game.
We need more Indian investors into the
Again,
game.
of course, I won't comment on what it's
we need
making
Indian
people-
investors, and we need the government money to be invested in right startups. ऐसे नहीं कि सेटिंग करके आपके ही लोग पैसा अंदर अंदर खा रहे हैं। इट इज जस्ट लाइक रिजर्वेशन को आप क्रिटिसाइज कर रहे हैं, मगर रिजर्वेशन में ही अंदर अंदर पूरी सेटिंग हो रही है, और जो रिजर्वेशन चलता हुआ आ रहा है वही ये लोगों को चलाना है आगे भी। क्यों? क्योंकि उससे उनका घर चल रहा है। वो बैकवर्ड क्लास, शेड्यूल कास्ट, शेड्यूल ट्राइब सर्टिफिकेट के साथ दे आर गेटिंग देयर एंट्री लेवल्स एवरीवेयर। जैसे मेरे मदर के घर में देयर वाज दिस सिंगर और व्हाटएवर, शी वाज actually a scheduled caste person who had a scheduled caste certificate, and she flaunted that when she wanted to trap me into a case. Can you beat it? So normal English speaking, good looking people having proper family background flaunt a scheduled caste, scheduled tribe certificate just because that certificate gives them entry roads. So sir, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो चेंज होनी चाहिए। काइंडली डोंट क्रिटिसाइज द फूड स्टार्टअप्स, जो स्टार्टअप्स में शायद आप लोगों ने ही पैसा डाला है, ठीक है? क्योंकि वो हरियाणा वाला तो मेरा खुद अपनी आंखों से देखा था कितना बड़ा फ्रॉड था वो, यूनिकॉर्न के नाम पे कितना बड़ा फ्रॉड था।
And how our resources are going only towards hyper-fast logistics. And look at what the other side is doing. Robotics, automation, machine learning.
So robotics, automation, machine learning, great. So you would love that weaponry manufacture also happens in India, because when the weaponry manufacture happens, you want to sell the weapons. Then you want to sell the weapons, you want the weapons to be used. For that you want a war. So do you think that's the reason the war happens in, because they have to use the machinery? Because that's the thought process that a lot of people sell, that they have to sell the weapons and they have to use the weapons, and for the weapon sale the war has to happen. So for that they make people at the lower belt fight among each other. In India obviously it's the Hindu Muslim, in Israel Palestine it's the Israel Palestine. I don't know the history. I'm just trying to understand the machinery sale and manufacture cycle.
Preparing themselves for 3D manufacturing. Next gen factories that are more efficient and that compete with the rest of the world and capture markets.
हम रोते रह सकते हैं, चॉइस हमारी है। यहाँ युवा पीढ़ी होने के कारण मैंने ये पुटअप किया। आर वी एज द फ्यूचर ऑफ इंडिया, और 2047 में शायद भुवनेश्वर को छोड़ के मे बी मैडम हम में से तो और कोई नहीं होगा। फ्रंट रो के भी इस तरफ के लोग छोड़ दो तो उस तरफ के लोग तो शायद नहीं होंगे। अमन यार तेरे को बाहर रख रहा हूँ।
You're promoting Aman.
You all are the
Shark Tank.
You all are the sculptors of new India.
You have to make Viksit Bharat 2047 happen.
So are you banning the rummy and the betting applications for that? Are you banning liquor? In Gujarat there's a lot of it, and Gujarat पे तो आपकी सरकार है ना? कितने सालों से? 20 सालों से?
And that is eminently possible when we start looking at the right side
of that chart, which we'll put up of that chart which we'll put up at the
We
exhibition.
need to go global.
We need
We
to
need
go
to
global.
think big.
We need to think big.
We need to be ambitious.
We need to be ambitious.
We need to experiment. We need
We
to
need to
go
experiment.
beyond the
we need
boundaries of our
to go
own
beyond
thinking.
the boundaries of our own thinking.
Let's not
Yes, I agree. We need to go global and we need to go beyond the boundaries of our own thinking. So, are you all thinking correct? Because are you all blind to the way the money that Startup India should be funding to genuine people like me? Yes, I qualify for that. Is being routed through people who are having contacts in the government and just using the money for their own personal shopping.
limit
Let's not
ourselves
limit ourselves
with the past.
with the past.
Let's explore the
Let's
unknown.
explore the unknown.
And
And
frankly,
frankly,
when we look at deep
when
tech,
we look at
and when
deep
I see
tech,
the
and when I
numbers are
see the
still
numbers are still
probably what 1,000
probably what
companies,
1,000 companies,
startups,
1,000 startups in the deep tech ecosystem.
So you want more startups in the deep tech ecosystem. तो labor का क्या करोगे? India's strength is the labor, ना? You need that labor, no? Population, when you need votes in that, what do you call, grounds that you fill with people to give your bhashan, what will you do about that? That's the strength of India.
It is a disturbing sign.
It is a disturbing sign.
Wealth creation in the short run
Wealth
may
creation
happen
in the
with some of
short run
these conveniences.
may happen with some of these
पर दुकानदारी
conveniences.
का ही काम करना है हमें
पर दुकानदारी का ही काम करना है
या विश्वव्यापी और
या
इंटरनेशनल स्केल का
विश्वव्यापी.
So Vishwavyapi or
international
international scale can be the food startup because food of India is its root, is its origin. But it's not possible for a small fry like me to open a global food chain that has its roots in India till I don't have proper funding. Yeah? Okay.
स्केल का भारत की पहचान बनानी.
भारत की
That,
पहचान.
friends, is the choice before
That,
us.
friends,
We
is
may
the
do
choice before.
all sorts of
We may do
international
all
trade
sorts
agreements,
of international
and today
trade
under Prime
agreements,
Minister Modi's
and today under Prime
guidance and
Minister
leadership,
Modi's
we are not
guidance
aiming
and
small.
leadership, we are not
We are not
aiming
looking
small.
at agreements with
We are not looking at
countries who
agreements
are
with
in a
countries
situation
who
which
are
is even
in a
worse
situation
than
which
what
is even
India is in.
worse than what India is.
That used to be the Congress culture. They would do
That used to be
agreements
the
with
Congress culture. They would do
countries
agreements
like,
with
you know, who are
countries like
Now you're bringing the Congress angle in Startup Mahakumbh. Don't do that. Stick to your innovation and your innovation guiding the youth. Don't bring Congress here in this speech. That is very political. That's not correct. You understand? This is not a bill that you're passing after amendment, which was obviously passed earlier by Congress. This is your innovations. Stick to your plus points. Kindly don't bring Congress in this speech. It looks very
you know
cliche.
were much weaker than us. What Modi ji does is agreements with Australia. We're aspiring to do an agreement with EU.
Modi ji does an agreement with Australia, and an Indian manufacturer is selling aloo pyaj to Australia also. Yeah, food.
The 27
Crushing.
nation bloc with UK, with USA, with Peru, with Chile, with Australia, with New Zealand, with Oman, with Bahrain, Qatar. Our ambitions are to compete with the best in the world.
Yes, and what is the criteria to decide that what is the best thing about India? How do you decide what is the best thing about India? You say emotions are the best thing about India, but then emotions are not the best thing about the West. Similarly, food is the best thing about India, one of the best things about India. So how can you call a food startup cliche and petty?
with every one of them.
With
we talk
every
of
one
a
of them, we
startup
talk of a
bridge.
startup bridge.
I can't take to them
I can't
grocery
take to them
stores.
grocery stores.
Why can't you take to them grocery
and say,
stores?
This is India's offering
Ghar ka
for
khana, Indian ghar ka khana, everybody needs in US and Dubai. Do you understand? And if you go to US and you start staying there and you don't have your cook, which is on a sarkari salary, you will also need ghar ka khana from Bharat. You need to sell them food, the Indian food that is needed there on global platform. Piyush, better than you, better than this. Seriously, this is really sad. You wrote the speech or your team?